Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to join Workspace in Notion. In order to join a workspace in Notion, you will have to get an invitation. So this is what the owner of the workspace has to do in order to send you an invitation. So you will kindly ask him for an invitation, and he will go right here and click on Invite Members. And then he will type here your email address in order to invite you to his workspace. Now simply he will give you a role, so you could be workspace owner or a member. Now simply he will send you an invite, like right here. You should go to your inbox on your email and refresh it to see if someone invited you to Notion. You should see email like this, and you can accept invite, so click on accept invite, and this will automatically open Notion, and you can accept all cookies, reload the site, and basically you are in. As you can see, I am now in this workspace. When I look on it, we both are right here. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.